This is Nathan Graves for EDX1280, Semester 1, 2014. The strategy card selected to demonstrate the inverse relationship between multiplication and division is the doubling card. Multiplication can be defined as repeated addition of equal groups or sets. For this learning episode, we will begin in the materials language stage, reinforcing the concepts of grouping and use language such as groups of as opposed to multiply, which will be used in the maths language stage. To begin with, we can fold the card in half and ask the students how many smiley faces do they see. 4. Then, by doubling and uncovering the second half of the card, the question we now ask is how many faces are there altogether? 8. In this card, we have 2 equal groups of 4 smiley faces, making 8 altogether. Alternatively, to reinforce the concept of grouping, we could look at this as a turnaround and see there are 4 groups of 2 smiley faces. 2, 4, 6, 8. Again, making 8 altogether. Division can be defined as separating a number into equal parts. By reversing the process of multiplication, we can begin to uncover the inverse relationship between multiplication and division. If the question was to be asked, how many smiley faces could we have in 2 groups, we could use multiplication to find the answer. We know the total number of faces altogether is 8, and one part of the total is 2. So what multiplication story do you know where we have 2 groups and 8 is a total? By folding the card back in half, we discover that there are 4 faces. 2 groups of 4 faces make 8 altogether. The answer is that 8 smiley faces into 2 groups mean you'll have 4 into each group. By uncovering the relationship of equal grouping between multiplication and division, we've been able to reverse the process and uncover the inverse relationship between division and multiplication.